So gratitude is a great multiplier. That's the key. Always you should remember, because many people, they wants to practice gratitude, but they have this question like, why should I practice gratitude? And then they feel like, and then the moment you start asking, why should I practice gratitude, you actually disconnect yourself from practicing gratitude. So one key you have to remember is gratitude is the great multiplier. It means whenever you grateful for anything, you start attracting more into your life, you start receiving more. Remember the law of attraction, like attracts like. It means when you're grateful for something, you start attracting more.
If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update.
Hey, hello, awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. Today, I'm going to share something about gratitude. Uh, After yesterday's live session, I got a lot of questions from our awesome tribe, and there are a lot of questions about gratitude, power of gratitude, how to start practicing gratitude. So I'm going to share something, and I'm going to share something from the Power Book by Rhonda Byrne, and it's going to be awesome. Are you practicing gratitude? Those of you who are practicing gratitude, say yes in the comment section. Say thank you, thank you, thank you. You know that's the power of gratitude, right? So after yesterday's live session, I got a lot of questions about gratitude, and many of you ask, right, like how to start practicing gratitude. How can you start practicing gratitude, and how can you go forward? So here I want to share something from the Power Book of Rhonda Byrne, and some of you must have read this book. This is a very powerful book, and something I want to share from here, like yeah, it says gratitude is a great multiplier. It means when you feel gratitude for something, and then definitely you feel gratitude for something positive, or whenever you feel gratitude, you create a positive momentum, right? When you feel gratitude for something, it multiplies. It means you start receiving more of those things. So when you feel gratitude, you definitely, when you find something positive or something valuable in something, like in some relationship or some people in your life or some things you have in your life, maybe your job, maybe your love relationship, maybe your family, maybe your health, maybe to your body, to your books, to all these people who have written these books. Maybe you can feel gratitude to Instagram itself, so that all of us are connected, and you can connect with people, your friends. So gratitude is a great multiplier. That's the key. Always you should remember, because many people, they wants to practice gratitude, but they have this question like, why should I practice gratitude? And then they feel like, and then the moment you start asking, why should I practice gratitude, you actually disconnect yourself from practicing gratitude. So one key you have to remember is gratitude is the great multiplier. It means whenever you grateful for anything, you start attracting more into your life, you start receiving more. Remember the law of attraction, like attracts like. It means when you're grateful for something, you start attracting more. If you're grateful for the good things in a relationship, that relationship, more good things started happening in that relationship. If you start being grateful for your job, then more good things started happening in your job. If you start being grateful for something good in your health or in your body started becoming better. So that is why gratitude is the great multiplier. If you like this video, if you are joining this video right now, then do click that heart button and let spread some love and let me know that you are enjoying this video. Here's something interesting I want to share. Like there is an interesting quote from the great scientist Albert Einstein, and he said, "100 times every day, I remind myself that my inner and outer life depend on the labors of other man, living and dead, and that I must exert myself in order to give in the same measures as I have received and I am still receiving." Albert Einstein. Imagine, Einstein was the great guy, right? He was the genius, and he was so grateful to all the people, all the scientists, all the physicists who have discovered so many theories before him, and so many ideas and so many scientific concepts they bring into existence, he was grateful to them because on their research, on their works, he built his theories, he expand his imagination. So gratitude is the great multiplier. That's the key. Now, how can you practice gratitude? With the simple two words, thank you. Right? The more you can say thank you, thank you, thank you in your life, the more magically you enhance your power of gratitude. Now, that is the most interesting thing. Now, those of you who are new, or those of you who have been practicing gratitude for quite a long time, but if you want to, if you keep getting this question like, how can I start practicing more? Then there are three ways. If you remember these three ways, you can start practicing gratitude effortlessly. And what are these three ways? Like it's clearly mentioned in the Power Book, so I'm sharing something from the book. And those of you who read Power Book, do let me know, spread some love, click that heart button and let me know that you too love the Power Book, right? So it says there are three ways to use the power of gratitude in your life. And every one of them is giving love. Now there are three ways. So, first, be grateful for everything you have received in your life, means past. All the good things that has happened and that you have received in your life. First, be grateful for all those things. All the great relationship that you had, all the good things that you have received, all the money you have received, your education, your college, school, all the great people you had, all the gifts that you have received, all the salaries that you have received so far, all the money that you have made. Be grateful for all those past things. Then second, be grateful for everything that you are receiving in your life, means the present moment. All of us, in spite of our challenges or obstacles, there are many good things happening in our life. And there's so many great gifts we are currently receiving and living. One of the best thing is we are alive. That's the first thing to be grateful for. We are alive. If we have a healthy body, we should be grateful for it. If we have a family, we should be grateful for it. If we have a home to live, we should be grateful for it. If we have a job, we should be grateful for it. No matter what kind of job, at least we have a job, right? So it means first we need to be grateful. So that gratitude is a great multiplier, so that more good things will start coming. Then the third, be grateful for what you want in your life as though you have received it. It means future. So think about all the things that you want to receive in your life, your goals, your dreams, your wishes, and think about all those things as if you have already received them. And then be grateful for all those things, all those people who will be helping you achieve it, all those things that you will be receiving, all the amazing cars that you are going to drive, all the magical home where you are going to live, all the magical places where you are going to travel, all the great friends that you are going to make, all the magical relationship that you are going to attract, all the magical moments that you are going to spend. Think about them as if they are happening and be grateful to those moments. When you do it, your gratitude will enhance. So, my friend, when you plan to practice gratitude or when you want to practice gratitude, you need to focus and think about three things. All the things that you have received, make a list of all the things, good things you have received so far in past, all the great things or magical things that you have currently you are receiving or having in your life, and then about your goals and dreams. Like the third one, I always say, give gratitude in advance and receive whatever you want. So when you think about these three things, practicing gratitude will become effortless. It become easy, effortless, magical. And gratitude will enhance your positivity, it enhance your energy, and you can connect with the universe. You can raise your positive vibration and you can create magic in your life. Yes, gratitude is the magic and gratitude is the great multiplier. So my friend, my awesome tribe, I am immensely grateful to all of you, and I believe all of you are having a fun time. And thank you, thank you, thank you for joining me. And I'll be answering your questions. This was one of the questions that many of you asked, like, AJ, how can I start practicing gratitude? So this is the beginning. Be grateful for past, present, and future. And if you want to practice gratitude to a deeper level, then definitely we have a program called the 28 Magical Practice Program. You can check our academy, academy.awesomeagent.com, and then you can join that program or go through the whole gratitude practice program on 32 days and you can create magic. But this is the beginning and you can start. So go ahead, be grateful, create some magic in your life, and you are awesome. So thank you. Have an awesome day ahead.